This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to AirPlay on your Samsung TV. So the first thing we should probably do is just check our Wi-Fi. So if our Wi-Fi is connected to something different on our iPhone to what it is on our Samsung TV, it's simply not going to work. So let's go down to connections, go to network, double check right here. You can see I'm connected to Scump on my Samsung TV. Then we can go on over to my iPad. We can go to settings, go to Wi-Fi. Scump is connected. So you might have 2.4G at your house. You could be connected to 5G on your TV, 2.4 on your iPhone, and that's the reason it's simply not working. Also, just go to your iPad, restart your iPad. Do the same thing on your TV, restart it. Sounds silly. A lot of times that helps it work for some reason. Can't explain it. But if you go back to connections now on your TV, go to all settings, scrolling down to connections, going down under here, you have AirPlay settings. Now, if you haven't used this before, you have to set it up. So you can go to AirPlay settings, connect it to Scump, choose this device, the TV. Then make sure it's turned on right here. Now require code for the first time. So if you don't see a pop-up code on your iPhone, iPad, just go to this. You might need to reset your paired devices. Maybe that's why it's not working. Okay, so I can see it's set up. Here's my iPad. Scroll down from the top right, or scroll up if you have the SE. Then go to the option with the two boxes. Crystal UHD TV. Boom, I'm screen mirroring, and hopefully this video did indeed help you out.